Hello everyone, and welcome to Infinity's video on tax filing. 6 important reasons not to be missed and reasons for additional taxes, if any, for you. Well, the tax filing season is on. As per the IT portal, 1.4 crore people have already filed their returns. Another 6.5 crore who've yet to file will find this video useful. Personal disclosure, I'm making this video, but I'm also yet to file my returns and my family's returns. So I'm sure my CA is watching this. So firstly, happy CA Day, happy Chartered Accountants Day to her. And well, I'm sending my documents shortly. Happy Doctors Day to all the doctors as well. Let's get started right away. Simple but important points that you need to keep in mind. Firstly, on tax regime, you can still change your tax regime from new to old or old to new, whichever works better for you, irrespective of what you've declared, whether you're filing your returns or declarations at office. Choose whichever gives you a lower tax rating. Next, documents. Keep all your documents ready for filing, which is your Form 16, capital gain statements of mutual funds, stocks if you're trading, interest details, savings account, FDs, any other interest-bearing instruments, exemptions, deductions if you're filing under the old tax regime, rental income, dividend, business, consultancy, any other income. So keep all the documents in place rather than running around at the last minute. Next, tally the details with the AIS, the annual information statement. Go through the AIS and cross-check since it has details about practically all your investments linked to your PAN, which is your salary, property details, TDS, if anything. So do cross-check on that. Next, foreign assets declaration. All foreign assets, including ESOPs, RSUs, stocks, bank accounts, cryptos, any other assets, you should be declaring even though there is no income. If there's income like foreign dividend from foreign stocks, please declare that as well. Don't miss this, as many people have started getting notices on this as they have missed declaring it previously. Next, on house property, take extra care to maintain consistency while declaring house property if held in joint name. If there's rental income or if you're claiming housing loan interest, it should be in the same proportion as you intend to have a holding pattern. It could be 50-50, it could be 90-10, whatever you intend to do it, but let it be consistent and both the holders should be declaring it equally in proportion, basically. On speculative assets, taxes and rules have changed, so be mindful. Cryptos, futures and options, currency, commodities trading, collect all the details and file it accurately. These areas are prone to getting notices from the income tax department, so be careful. Now, coming to reasons why there will be additional tax payable for a lot of people while filing the returns. Firstly, savings account interest. If interest is more than 10,000 rupees, you will pay tax on that. So that's like the worst tax to pay. Savings account generally gives 3% interest. And on that, if you're going to pay tax, it's a criminal waste of money asset. So be careful. FD interest, bank does a 10% TDS balance amount. If you're in 30%, balance 20% needs to be paid. So plan for that in advance rather than paying it at the end. Capital gains, first 1 lakh is exempt in case of long-term capital gains. Balance is taxable at the rate of 10%. Short-term is, of course, taxable at 15%. If it's other assets, different slabs are there. So there could be taxes based on basis of capital gains. Then you've got rental income, or if you've changed jobs, you've got 2 Form 16s, very likely that the new company has not factored in the previous income. So you will have a additional tax payable. So be mindful of these facts. Key takeaway, well, don't wait till July 31st to file your taxes. This is not your school exam time. So go ahead and do it at the earliest. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do feel free to share this with the other 6.499 crore people who need to still file their taxes. Have a tax-free week ahead. Thank you. Good day.